I'm Ava, and welcome to Korean Ladder, the audio Korean lesson that helps your next real conversation.
안녕하세요, 하나입니다. 오늘은 쇼핑할 때 꼭 필요한 할인 표현을 배워요.
안녕하세요. 준호입니다. 가격을 확인하고 살지 말지 자연스럽게 말해봅시다.
Here's my shopping panic question. If I see a jacket, do I ask, 세일해요, 할인되나요, or something else completely?
좋은 질문이에요. Both are useful, but they feel a little different.
세일해요. asks, is this on sale? 할인되나요? asks, can this be discounted? or does a discount apply?
오늘의 첫 표현은 이거예요. 이거 세일해요? This means, is this on sale?
And the second expression is, 이거 할인되나요? It means, can this be discounted?
First, listen to the natural sale question. 이거 세일해요?
이거 means this thing. 세일해요. Literally uses sale plus 해요. Natural English is it on sale?
So if I'm holding a bag, I can ask, 이거 세일해요?
맞아요. Very natural. Now listen to the discount version. 이거 할인되나요?
할인 means discount. 되나요? asks whether something works or is possible. Together, 할인되나요? means can it be discounted?
할인되나요? Sounds a little more careful, like I'm asking if a discount is available.
네, 정확해요. 세일해요 is great when you expect a sale. 할인되나요 is great when you want to check the discount possibility.
Now we add price confirmation. 얼마예요? means how much is it?
After hearing yes, you can ask, 그럼 얼마예요? That means, then how much is it?
So first I ask, 이거 세일해요? Then if yes, I ask, 그럼 얼마예요?
Exactly. And to decide to buy, say 살게요. It means I'll take it or I'll buy it.
If you decide not to buy, say 괜찮아요. In this shopping context, it means no, that's okay. Or I'll pass.
Nice. 살게요. To buy. 괜찮아요. To pass politely.
Let's hear a real mini dialogue at a clothing store. Listen for 세일해요? 얼마예요? and 살게요.
이거 세일해요?
네, 30% 할인돼요.
그럼 얼마예요?
2만 원이에요.
좋아요. 이거 살게요. In the answer, 30% 할인돼요 means it is 30% discounted, or naturally, it's 30% off.
2만 원이에요. means it is 낼 때 타완. 20,000 won. Won is the Korean currency unit.
Time for me to try. 이거 세일해요.
좋아요. Make sale smooth, not too separated. 이거 세일해요?
이거 세일해요.
좋습니다. Now try the discount question. 이거 할인되나요?
이거 할인되나요?
완벽해요. Now add the follow-up. 그럼 얼마예요?
그럼 얼마예요?
Common mistake time. English speakers often say 이거 세일이에요. That can be understood, but it sounds like is this a sale? Not as natural for an item.
For a product in your hand, say 이거 세일해요? It means, is this on sale?
So not my English brains. Is this a sale? Better. 이거 세일해요.
Another mistake is being too direct with 깎아주세요. It means please lower the price. In many stores, 할인되나요? is softer.
깎아주세요 can be okay in markets sometimes, but at a normal shop, 이거 할인되나요? Sounds safer and more polite.
Quiz time. I'm at a regular clothing store, not bargaining at a market. I want to politely ask if the item can be discounted. What should I say?
The answer is A. 이거 할인되나요? It politely asks whether a discount is available. No.
B. 이거 세일이에요. is less natural for an item. C. 깎아주세요. can sound like bargaining, so save it for the right situation.
Second check. The clerk says,
네, 세일해요.
what is the best follow-up to confirm the sale price?
The answer is A. 그럼 얼마예요? It means then how much is it?
이거 살게요 means I'll take this. So say it after you know the price and decide to buy. 정리해 볼게요. 첫째, 이거 세일해요는 is this on sale? 이에요. Use it when you want to know if the item is part of a sale.
둘째, 이거 할인되나요는 Can this be discounted? 입니다. It is a polite way to ask if a discount applies.
셋째, 세일해요를 들으면 그럼 얼마예요? 라고 물어보세요. In English, then how much is it confirms the real price.
넷째, 결정할 때는 살게요 for I'll take it and 괜찮아요 for I'll pass. Short is natural in a shop.
My keeper sentence is, 이거 세일해요.
그럼 얼마예요? 좋아요.
이거 살게요.
오늘은 이 한 흐름만 기억하세요. 세일인지 묻고 가격을 확인하고 살지 말지 말해요.
다음 시간에는 다른 사이즈 있어요? and 다른 색 있어요?를 배웁니다. See you on the next rung of Korean ladder.